Hey guys, I'm here working my way down through the initial grade for the brand new Trinity drum kit syllabus for 2020 to 2023. I'm getting good at saying that. So we've made our way to the Group B section and we are looking at the piece called About Time that was done by Clark Tracy. So this is a very straight piece, but it does ask you to do a swing. Now, if you're not sure of what a swing is, really it's the offset of the offbeat, and that's a fancy way of saying that we're not going to play the and exactly on the halfway mark between the numbers. So if I was to play a line of quavers on my hi-hats, I'd be playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now if I was to swing my quavers, my 1s, 2s, 3s and 4s wouldn't change. They would stay where they are. It's the ands. So instead of being 1 and, it would be 1 and. So the and is left later. Depending on how hard you're to swing it, it might be very, very, very close to the 2, or it might be just off of the right in the center. So 1 and 2 and 3 and you add a swing, it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you can see I'm doing with this hand is I'm keeping a straight timing here, 1 and 2, and I'm going over here 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So that swing affects the and. On this piece you're going to have to swing the ands, but there's not that many ands. So let's take a look at it. If you're still a little bit unsure about how to swing, maybe by listening to it you'll get what I'm talking about. But really, this is a good introductory piece to swinging. There's a piece in the Group A section that has swing in it, and it's absolutely ridiculously difficult for what level you should be at on your initial grade. I'm not so put off by the level they're expecting of you here. This is a good introduction to swing. So I approve this message. So basically what we have on the first line, there's no swing because there's no ands. It's all crotchets. Right hand is on the right cymbal, and we've got snare on 1 and we've got snare on 4. The next bar we've got snare on 3. The next bar we've got snare on 2, and on the fourth bar we've got snare on 1 and snare on 3. So it's alternating where that snare is going in, and it's just checking that you're able to count your way through. So this is what the top line sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very, very straight. Okay? The second line, in the second line we do have 1 and you'll see it on bar 7. So bar 5 is 1, 2, snare, snare, and then 3, 4 bass drum. 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 6 is 3 snares and 1 bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 7 has 3 snares that are crotchets and then 2 snares that are quavers. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the whole line. You can see that little swing that I put in there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4 and. See the difference? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Okay, let's do that whole line. 5, 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, bar 9, section B. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got your offbeat there on bar 9. You got your quaver there on the 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. If that was straight, it would be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can hear where the swing is. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're on the home stretch. from 13 to the end. There is no quavers, so it's all straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like it. I like this piece. It's very straight. It's not going to freak anyone out. It's not going to scare anyone away from drumming. But it does give them the experience of what swinging is. So well done, Clark Tracy. Good job, and great piece. So now I'm going to do a playthrough of it using the metronome with the recommended or the required speed of 80 BPM. So if you want to hear that, that's going to be the next video I do. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying this series covering this new syllabus, please let me know. If there's any piece that you'd like me to cover that I haven't yet covered in or around these grades, just let me know and I'll get to that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.